こんにちは。そしておめでとうございます。まず自己紹介しましょうか。私は高校の講義の最後の学生、ハンスです。20歳です。そしてアニメが大変好きですから日本語を勉強します。今日学校は終わりましたが、新しい未来へ行きましょう。My dear brothers and sisters, today we celebrate the completion of a journey. We all have different reasons why we came here. We all have different destinations in life, and we all came from different places and backgrounds. But these past few weeks, our goal were one. Each and everyone here today embodies the virtue of perseverance. The will to keep moving forward despite how things can get tough. So to my fellow students, congratulations. Before we embark on our next journey, I would like to look back at the lessons that I have learned. I have been through a number of places. It's not much, but with a variety of places comes with a variety of experiences, both somber and joyful alike. I have seen people come and go. I have seen them fall and rise. Life has showed me that situations in life can quickly change. A man who feasts one moment could be begging for crumbs in the next. Change can be quite scary and a dangerous thing. But if there is anything in life that it has taught me, it's that change is often accompanied by choice. Either change in our lives forces us to choose, or our choices invites change to our lives. This means that no matter what change comes our way, we will always have a choice. Conversely, if we have a choice, we are worthy of our own change. Whether it is a change of heart, a change of environment, or just a simple change for the better, we will always have the power to change if you are willing enough. Do not let your burdens tell you otherwise. Now, I'm not saying that change is a must. Maybe you are enough as you are now. But I hope that this message will help you to not be afraid when things don't go as expected, because normally they won't. But now, you can always move forward knowing that each step will bring you to a better place. Now, to end this speech, I would like to thank my parents, friends, family, teachers, and above all God for supporting me all this time and giving me the opportunity to be here. That would be all. Thank you.